Today we are going to learn how to get the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix. What we normally do is to get the determinant and then go all the way, get the adjacency matrix, but I see that as a very long and tedious process. I'm going to use another formula here. So when we are given our matrix A, what we do is to write it in the form of augmented matrix, just like I have written here, whether this is our matrix A and this is the multiplicative identity matrix. So it is going to look like this, exactly like this. So our next step is to perform elementary row operations, and when we do that, our main target is to make this other side look like this other side. What I mean is that we reduce this one to an identity matrix, and when we do that, this other side is going to change, and the result is going to be our inverse. So let's begin and see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to start by multiplying row 3 by a half, or dividing row 3 by a half, and that one is going to give us, this one is going to make this one once. So this one is going to be 1, 0, -1. This is going to be 0, 0, a half. We are multiplying by a half or dividing by 2, remember. And the rest of the rows are just going to remain the same. So this is 1, 3. This is 0. This is 0, -1. This is 1. This is 1, 0, 0. This is 0, 1, 0. The next step, we are going to multiply row 1 by -1 and add it to row 3. So row 1 by -1 and add it to row 3. So I can just say this one is row 1. So it is -1 row 1 plus row 3 to get the new row 3. So it's going to be, when we do that, so negative row 1, so -1 plus 1 is 0. -1 times 3 is -3, plus this one is -3. -1 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is -1. -1 times 1 is -1, plus 0 is 1, -1. So this one is going to be 0 plus 0, that is 0. 0 plus a half, that is a half. The rest of the rows are just going to remain the same. So this is going to be 1, 3, 0. This is going to be 0, -1, 1. This is going to be 1, 0, 0. This is 0, 1, 0. The next step, we are going to multiply row 3 by -1. So multiply row 3 by -1. So it is -1 row 3, and that one is going to give us 0. This is going to be 3. This is going to be 1. This is going to be 1. This is going to be 0. This is going to be -half. The rest of the rows remain the same. 0, -1, 1. This is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. The next step is to multiply row 2 by -1 and add it to row 3. So multiply row 2 by -1 row 2. So -1 row 2 plus plus row 3 to get our new row 3. So it is going to be the rest of the rows we said remain the same, so that is 1 3 0, then this is 1 0 0, this is 0 negative 1 1, then this is 0 1 0. So it's this one that we are multiplying by negative 1, row 2. So when we multiply row 2 by negative 1 is going to be 0 plus 0 is 0. Negative 1 times negative 1, that is 1, plus 3, that is 4. Then negative 1 times 1 is negative 1, plus that one is 0. Then this one is going to be 0 plus this one is going to be 1. Then negative 1 plus 0 is negative 1. 0 plus negative half is negative half. The next step is going to be to divide row 3 by 4. So I can write it a quarter row 3. So we are going to get, this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, a quarter, this is negative a quarter, then this is going to be a negative 1 out of 8. So the rest of the rows remain the same, 1 3 0 0 negative 1 1, this is 1 0 0 1 0 0. Yes, then the next thing we are going to do is to multiply row 3 by negative 3 and add it to row 1. So we are going to multiply row 3 by negative 3 row 3 plus row 1 plus row 1 plus row 1 to get, I was to write it here, to get row 1, to get row 1. So negative 3 row 3 plus row 1 to get row 1. So that is going to be, it is going to be negative 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3, plus this one is 0. Negative 3 times 0 plus this one, negative 3 times 0 is 0, plus this one is 0. Negative 3 plus this one is negative 3 times a quarter is 3 quarters, plus this one is, this is negative 3 quarters, I mean, plus this one is going to be a quarter. So negative 3 times this one is positive 3 over 4, plus this one is just 3 over 4. This one is negative 3 times this one is negative 3 over 8, plus this one is going to be 3 over 8. The rest of the rows remain just the way they are. So this is 0, negative 1, 1. This is 0, 1, 0. This is 0, 1, 0. Negative, this is a quarter, negative a quarter. This is 1 over 8. So the next thing that we do is to add row 3 to row 2 to get row 2. So we are going to add row 3, row 3 plus row 2 to get row 2. That is going to be, so row 3 plus row 2, this is going to be a quarter. This is going to be 3 quarters. Oh, let me begin by, let me begin by this side. Sorry guys. So it's going to be 1. You know, the problem is that I see it as if I have finished. I see ahead. It's okay, guys. So this is 1, 0, 0. These ones are the ones that remain the same, right? So this is a quarter, 3 over 4, 3 over 8. Then this is going to be this one is the one we are interested. So this is row 3 plus row 2. So this plus this is 0. This plus this is again 0. This plus this is 1. This plus this is a quarter. This plus this is 3 quarters, right? This plus this is going to be negative 1 over 8. Then our next step is going to be, you just write this the way it is. This is 0, the ones that don't change. 0, a quarter, negative a quarter, negative 1 over 8. So here, guys, we are just almost done. What we do is to rearrange this other side. We arrange this one fact that this one's become the identity matrix. We reorder the rows. So that the left hand side we have an identity matrix. So let's do that. We are going to have the upper part is just okay, no need. So it is just 1, 0, 0, 1 over 4, 3 over 4, 3 over 8. This is then now we bring this one in the middle. So it's going to be 0, 1, 0. So we also bring this ones. So it's going to be 1 over 4, negative 1 over 4, 1 over 8, negative 1 over 8. And this one is going to be the one in the middle, 0, 0, 1, 1 over 4, 3 over 4, negative 1 over 8. So guys, this one is our inverse, this one. So we can just write it as 1 over 4, 3 over 4, 3 over 8, 1 over 4, negative 1 over 4, 1 over 8, 1 over 4, 3 over 4, negative 1 over 8 is the required inverse. As simple as that. As simple as that. So guys, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that next time you don't miss any of my educational videos or any of my videos. Thanks.